Welcome to a short video showing the calculation of annuities. In this case, we're going to do two investments, investment A and investment B. Investment A states I'm making $100 payments starting 1 year from now. They're equal payments over 5 periods or 5 years at 10%. We are starting with 0. Investment B is the same investment except I'm compounding at 8% instead of 10%. Both payments, as I mentioned earlier, are starting 1 year from now. Therefore, we refer to these as ordinary annuities. If we look over to the left, we'll see the formula. The formula says the future value of annuity equals the payment times, inside the bracket, 1 plus R raised to the T power, which in this case would be 5 years, minus 1 divided once again by the interest rate. So if we look at the longhand math for the first one, which is the 10%, I'll go ahead and calculate it using a calculator. So it'd be 1 plus 10% raised to the power of 5 equals, subtract 1 equals, and divide that by 10% equals, and then multiply that by the annuity or payment, and I get 610.51. Now, using the Hewlett-Packard calculator, these 5 top time value of money, I'm going to work from left to right. 5 years, 10%, beginning with 0, making 5 annual ordinary annuities. I'm going to make them negative because I'm making payments. The future value is $610.51. Now let's go ahead and attempt it with Excel. I'm going to finance, and all I'm looking for is future value. And I have the rate and the number of years of periods of payments, and I began with nothing, and if you see here, there's the 610.51. If I grab the bottom of the cell and pull across, I do it again. Let's attempt it one more time using our financial calculator, and we're going to make 5 payments of $100, compounding at 8%, starting with 0, and the future value is 586.61. And one last time, let's attempt it with a longhand formula, which would be 1 plus the interest rate raised to the 5th power equals, subtract 1 from this equals, divide that by 0.08 equals, and go ahead and multiply that by the $100 payment, and we find that's 586.66 as well.